Hey guys, what's up? It's Baby Dunk here. Smokey's Travels up there, and we're gonna go explore this old abandoned house, see what it's like. Oh, it's chilly out, y'all. Had a good winter down here in Kentucky this year. Alright, I'm paying y'all up.
I guess you would call them.
Yeah.
Or furnace.
Yeah, it's an old school one. Sorry, kid. Wood circulator. Big old raccoon come out. Hey, look, there's some old newspapers. Those are probably from 2000. It's pretty cool. Ooh, the wind draft in here is bad.
It's crazy.
So, dishwasher. Y'all didn't know this is what heats your water from your bathtub.
Decent sunroom back here.
Ooh.
That's where it all hit.
Yeah.
Broken windows. They broke every window they possibly could.
Ooh. This is the warmest room.
It's a little breezy in here.
Yeah.
These floors. Oh, these old soft floors, 1-inch flooring. That closet.
This upstairs. No, this closet.
That was a closet.
You're mine.
Oh,
It's a bone.
there's another door. This is where it goes. Another chandelier. This one's a little broke. That other one looked good though.
Is there anything? Is there anything up there, guys?
Then that nice sunroom I was talking about a while ago. Real good sunroom. We're gonna have to go check that shack out, see what's up with that. All fireplaces. Y'all know how I feel about fireplaces. Too bad it's closed up.
Yeah.
They were still using it probably. They were remodeling it. Yeah. Tore it all down.
How small this bathroom is, y'all. Pretty mirror, though.
Well, y'all know what a toilet looks like. And I don't have a flashlight with me, so.
Careful, cuz. Skip that step. Y'all be careful going upstairs in houses. Always double check your steps.
Gotta be real careful. And watch these steps. I mean, I guess you can't really avoid it. Oh, bay windows up here? What? I would have liked this house.
It's always scary going upstairs because you never know if anybody's in here.
Right? I think it's better than one of
Don't walk in the middle.
It's cozy.
Yeah, don't go over.
See down there.
This is the floor that's breaking.
Be a long fall. It was spongy when I walked by.
I wouldn't go in there.
Yeah, yeah. Had been a cute house. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know that she had a room. Yeah.
Sorry, y'all, that I'm shaky. I'm freaking out because of this floor.
I can't get over these bay doors. I guess that's what you would call them. What do y'all call them? I call them bay doors.
Yeah, there's got to be some type of carpenter that watches our videos. They should know.
Another bathroom.
What kind of doors are those, y'all?
Somebody eagerly had to go poo-poo because there's part of the door and there's the rest of the door. What's in here? Nothing.
Nah.
A blue room. The blue lagoon.
Y'all know how I feel about moss. The nature's carpet.
You had a heck of a view up here.
Yeah. See, look, here's that floor that I was just on, y'all. Yeah. Said that was breaking. Get y'all more close up. So this is what we was walking on. This ain't, don't look like it's treated wood or nothing.
All right, going back downstairs and we're gonna go check out the outside.
This wood ain't treated, is it? It's built.
I mean, back in the day it probably wasn't treated.
Here's
It was just barn lover, rough cut.
wooden dowel. Remember, skip this one step.
Back in the day they didn't really treat stuff like this. Yeah, that's what it was, y'all.
Y'all, look at this door. Hold up. I'm about 6 foot.
That yellow room.
It's the same height as me.
He tells me to miss a step, but I still step on it.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but look at the wallpaper. No, they can't see it. There's some pretty wallpaper in here. It's like shells and stuff.
Yep.
We're gonna go check outside. Alright, y'all, well, that's exploring with Baby done. Smokey's travels, Smokey's adventures. But, hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, hit the thumbs up, like and subscribe. You know, I love reading out y'all's comments. And, I got some new members, only videos out. So if y'all want to, join that. Y'all have a good one.